In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple estimates in CostMiner. By the end, you'll have a clean, dependable workflow for handling new estimates and revisions without losing track of what changed or when. Let's start with the most important habit. Keep one project per estimate. Think of each estimate as a snapshot in time. Instead of stacking revisions into the same file, create a new estimate for each version. This keeps your work organized, makes reviews easier, and prevents accidental overwrites. Here's how to create a fresh estimate. Open CostMiner and go to File, then Project Manager. Click on New Project. When you name your project, be clear and consistent. Include the project type, the scope or building name if relevant, and a version indicator. For example, you might use Residential Building Estimate V1 for your initial submission and Residential Building Estimate V throughout client revision if you're responding to client feedback. The exact wording is up to you, but stick to a pattern so everyone on your team can quickly understand what each estimate represents. Avoid using personal details or sensitive identifiers in the name. Clarity is the goal, not specifics that could compromise privacy. Now, when you need to revise an estimate, don't edit the original. Duplicate it instead. This is a crucial safeguard. Open the Project Manager, select the estimate you want to build from, and click Duplicate or Copy Project. You'll instantly create a separate version that carries over all your work. Rename it to reflect the change you're making. Version numbers work well, like V2 or V3. If you're exploring different scenarios, label them clearly, such as Option A or Option B. For value engineering, use something like VE Proposal, so it's obvious this version focuses on cost-saving alternatives. This simple step preserves your original estimate exactly as it was, which is invaluable when you need to compare numbers, justify decisions, or revert to a prior baseline. A quick tip on naming: keep names readable, use underscores or dashes for separators, and align your wording with how your team searches for files. Consistency will save you time and confusion later. If you manage multiple client revisions, include a short tag like Client Revision to capture the context at a glance. To recap, create a new project for a new estimate, and always duplicate for revisions. With clear names and careful versioning, you'll maintain a complete history of your estimating process, make reviews straightforward, and protect your original work every time.